Every takeoff holds a story, but not every flight finds its landing. In aviation history, a few crashes didn't just shake the skies. They changed the world. From planes that vanished without a trace to disasters that forced major safety reforms. These moments define what flying means today. This is Skyline Tragedies, and here are the top 5 historical plane crashes that changed aviation forever. Number 5, Malaysia Airlines, Flight 370, 2014. Number 5. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 vanished from radar while flying from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing with 239 people on board. The Boeing 777 was believed to have crashed somewhere in the Indian Ocean, but the main wreckage has never been found. To this day, MH370 remains one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history. Number 4, American Airlines Flight 191, 1979. Number 4. On May 25, 1979, American Airlines Flight 191 took off from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and just seconds later, disaster struck. The left engine detached from the wing due to maintenance errors, causing the DC-10 to roll over and crash into an open field. All 273 people on board lost their lives, making it the deadliest aviation accident in U.S. history. Number 3, Air India Flight 182, 1985. Number 3. On June 23, 1985, Air India Flight 182 exploded mid-air off the coast of Ireland. A bomb planted by Sikh extremists detonated in the cargo hold of the Boeing 747, killing all 329 people on board. This tragic event shocked the world and exposed major gaps in airport security and baggage screening at the time. Number 2, Japan Airlines Flight 123, 1985. Number 2. On August 12, 1985, Japan Airlines Flight 123 suffered a catastrophic failure in its rear pressure bulkhead, causing explosive decompression. The Boeing 747 lost all control and crashed into Mount Takamagahara. Out of 524 people, only 4 survived. It remains the deadliest single aircraft crash in history. Number 1, Tenerife Airport Disaster, 1977. And number 1, on March 27, 1977, 2 Boeing 747s, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736, collided on a foggy runway at Tenerife Airport in the Canary Islands. Miscommunication, stress, and poor visibility caused the tragedy that killed 583 people. The Tenerife disaster changed aviation communication forever, leading to the creation of clearer cockpit protocols and the phrase we all know today, Roger, copy, confirmed.
Subscribe my channel for more interesting and historical airplanes crashes.